On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Juggernaut Star, Dick, Liquor, Brown, Ross,
Thank you.
get it right. We have a very, very special guest inside our studio this evening. She go by the name of Sim UK.
That's right.
Is that right?
Simma, Simma, but you can call me Sim UK because I'm from UK, so that's how it
No, you need to tell me what my card because
Simma.
Simma, yeah?
Sim.
Simma like
Sim
being
Simma. Who got the keys for your bin?
Simma, Sim. It all works.
What's good? I like the attire.
Thank
Like,
you. The sun came out today, so I thought I'd make an effort.
yeah, this
Bring
what
out
if I
some
think it's come
colours.
out today as
For the
well?
effort.
Yeah.
Well,
There's a lot coming out today. Well, lovely. We've been watching your music and we've been watching what you've been
thank
doing
you.
for the last couple of years, and you've been quite busy as well.
I have. It's kind of started picking up like recently, to be honest. So yeah, in the past 6 months,
Is it?
started picking up all of a sudden. You know.
So what's been happening different? What's that cause for that recent surge?
Because I think it takes people like a bit of time to adapt to new artists,
Yeah.
understand what they're about, and just get them in general. So I think kind of people are seeing me a little bit more, understanding what I'm about,
Yeah.
listening to my music a bit more. So yeah.
Are you relatively new? How new would you say?
I wouldn't even say I'm new. To be honest, I've been doing music like most of my life, if I'm honest. But I've just been in and out of music. Just to tell you a bit about my background, my dad and uncle had a sound system,
Yeah.
and when I was little, I just used to go and kind of jump on a mic with them and
I just need
do my
to.
thing. So from young, I knew I had a little thing for using.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, for everybody that's watching right now and who's listening at home right now, who's never seen Sim before and never
Yeah.
know what your music is about, can you just explain to them what type of artist you are?
Okay, so basically I'm a rapper. I also do a bit of singing as well, but originally I'm a rapper. The type of music I do, the style is rap music and mixed with dancehall, so it's kind of intertwined with dancehall reggae. So yeah, it's a bit of that,
So which one you like better? You like the rapping or the singing?
rapping. So I think I can rap it and I can sing, if I'm honest.
Have you ever battle rap? Because
Yeah.
these girls out here, they're grimy, you know. They'll be coming for you. I got
Yeah,
a few
that's cool.
I got a few names and one thing that would be
Nobody don't want to
taking
battle
you.
with me.
You sure?
I'm positive.
I can call
They
some
don't-
names.
they
you know.
just don't want it. You can, but it's not. I just, you know what? It's not even the fact that they can't battle with me. It's just the fact that I'm the kind of person that people warm to me because I'm loving. I like people to succeed. I like people to do their thing. I support other women that are doing their thing. So I can't see any female coming at me from now. But if they want to come in, they can come because I'll come back.
Simple. Back.
It's that simple because I got rhymes for days. I got bars for days. So
See that? So people remember
yeah,
you
I
already.
don't think people have seen what I'm capable of yet, but they are going to see. So yeah.
It seems
They
like
can't
you
see
have an agenda for this year.
I absolutely do.
Did you like make a little plan like, oh listen, 2018 I'm gonna be doing
Yeah.
this. What's the strategy behind Simma
Yeah.
at the moment?
I mean, I always plan. Obviously, things don't always go to plan. I always plan. For me, my main thing is for me to just be in a studio and make music that I enjoy making.
Yeah.
Make music that's true to me, and try and put my music out. And I think that's been the hardest thing for me going forward is just trying to get my music out and for people to hear my music. And this has been probably the most frustrating thing is that people don't hear everything that I'm doing, kind of thing.
No, but
So,
the medium has changed over the years because the social
Yeah.
media has opened the space for everybody now.
Yeah,
so
but you can't just put everything on social media that you record straight away because then people will just look at your stuff and grab it before you even get a chance to put it out. So you have
That's
to have
true.
a strategy to putting out your stuff. So if you're putting out something on social media, you've got to know that you're doing your PRS. You've got to know that you're doing your release. You know, all the other business things that you have to do before you just put your music on social media. But you can. I'm not saying you can't put music on social media.
Yeah.
But you have to kind of
Yes.
if you're doing it as a business, you have to have a strategy of just putting stuff out. Everyone to hear.
I get your point.
Yeah.
And so in terms of you moving forward,
Mhm.
what would be more of your marketing strategy? What works for you? What works for Sim getting a song being heard
Being heard.
by the
Yeah.
people that needs to hear it?
Okay, so I have been working on visuals, so I should have a visual coming out in the next couple of weeks. Also, like I'm here, I'm doing radio interviews and shows. I've also got some stage shows coming up, supporting acts. Yes, there's a lot going on, really.
So is this a different new look for Sim? Because
Oh,
I like the previous videos that you've done, I must
Yeah.
say. They're quite eye-catchy.
Yeah.
And
I'm learning. Everything that I do, I learn from. So, yeah, I like them, but I always want to do better.
Always going to do better.
Yeah.
What's your favorite song so far?
Of mine,
Yes.
I would say the last song that I just recorded.
Has it been released yet?
No, it hasn't even been heard yet. Actually, I'm going to probably play it today. Or
You need
freestyle,
to
or
listen. You
freestyle
need
it
to.
today.
You need to play.
Yeah,
today.
yeah. It's as I said, I record different stuff. I do work on dancehall stuff and reggae stuff, but I also do the rap stuff. So this one that I recorded is a rap track.
It's a rap track. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it's like a
alright.
trappy kind of driller kind of feel, but in a like a nice girly way.
A turn up, yeah.
Yeah, so it's like a turn up kind of feel. But I'm really right now. I'm really I've just been playing it to myself.
So we're gonna be judging here. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna put it live, yeah. We're gonna be doing it live, and we're gonna have people judging this and seeing if it's a good song or if it's
Alright.
one of them.
I
No,
also want you to play my track that's coming out soon, due to be out.
We're gonna be playing that,
Yeah.
but
Can I give honest opinion?
yes.
Yeah,
Listen,
always.
this
We love-
here.
We love honest opinion.
Should we give this a microphone as well? Let me give this a microphone. Let me just get him involved because he's one of these ones that
Yeah.
And it's all people like louder.
Yeah.
Let's hear this now.
What's good?
Good.
Hi.
Hi.
No, I'm just hearing the
No, he
interview.
wants to hear the song first and then he wants to give his opinion. Is that what
Yeah,
you're talking about?
yeah.
He's shy.
Well, what I was saying, have you found your style yet? Because like I'm new as well, and
Yeah.
it took me like 5 years to find who I am as a
Yeah,
comedian. Because
exactly.
when you're starting as an artist, you don't know who you are.
Yeah.
You go, I
wanna
went
say-
that way, that way. Have you actually?
I wouldn't say I don't know who I am. It's just finding the style that suits me the most. And
Yeah.
the one that picks, obviously, it's not about sometimes it's about what people take to, but you have to be comfortable with yourself.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And then know that's your strongest
Yeah.
aspect of what you're doing. So yeah, it took me. It is. I'm still, as I said, I'm learning. I learn every time I go in the studio.
Yeah.
I learn something new. Every time I sit down and write, I learn something new. So I'm just learning. But it's the first time since I've been doing music that I've taken music as a business.
Yeah.
So I've never really taken it as a business before. I've just been in and out, just doing this for the love of it. But now I'm.
Yeah, because it's called show business.
Yeah.
That's what it's called. So,
Yeah.
but I take the business aside, like what we were saying, like, what is your marketing strategy? If you know what I'm saying, because me, like when I put out my videos, I'm trying to put it out to the masses, and
Yeah.
and what is your strategy?
My strategy right now is to get on as many shows as possible.
Mhm.
Put out the visuals because I do have a passion for fashion, right?
Yeah.
And that's kind of my thing as well. Like I think people took to with my social medias, people kind of liked my style, and people picked up on that. So I kind of used that a little bit to push myself forward and to gain a bit more followers. And
So when it comes to
support.
visuals, have you how much? Let me tell you this: it's important, and Rick could tell you about visuals.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, it
Because
is.
I was a comedian doing
Yeah.
stand up, innit?
Yeah,
But until
very
I'm
important.
starting to touch on the visuals,
Yeah.
here I am
very
today. If you
important.
know what I'm saying.
And
So.
I'm fussy. I'm so fussy. I've done visuals that I haven't even put out. 'Cause I'm
No, but
fussy.
yeah, I know you have to be fussy, but it's called content.
Yeah.
You have to put out the content
Right.
if you want to be. You understand? Sometimes,
Yeah.
Absolutely.
even if it's controversial content,
Yeah.
you get me. Every news is good news. If you know what I'm saying. When you're as an artist,
That's
so
true.
you got to put. You
Yeah.
got to sometimes you got to sell yourself before the music. If you know
Yeah,
what I'm saying.
Exactly. And you can't be scared. That's another thing. Sometimes
Fair.
that's exactly what you're kind of saying because sometimes
Yes.
I feel scared because
Yes.
people
No,
don't like it.
myself too. I've
But
been
you
there.
have to kind of put, what you have to sometimes put that in the back of your head and just believe in yourself and just say, do you know what? Not everyone's gonna like everything. Not everyone's gonna
Yeah.
like what you put out. Do you know what I'm saying? But there's gonna be somebody somewhere that's gonna like
Can I just
it.
cut you
So,
there? Because
yeah.
the producer for the show just come pinch you my side and show me a big signboard about time's up. So, yeah. I don't know if it's me chatting too much, but it was you. I don't know who it was. Because it can't be me, Rick. The producer can't, so I'm right. I thought she told me. I mean, and you want to see her face as well, you know. Like, you know, when mommy I tell you time's up, right, go at church, that's the face. Yeah, right. Don't touch me.
That's all right. Definitely. We just have business jumping and just like
Sorry.
being a mental coach. But we like that because you've been on the journey of growth where you left where she is now.
Yeah.
And basically you're at a different platform now. Not just well-headed, but yeah.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
ones. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But I'm saying, like, it's just in the last 2 years or so where I found who I am as a comedian, like my style, what I'm strong at. 'Cause you know what I'm saying? You put out videos and whatever, but what I'm more strong at is like just being me. You understand? The basic-ness, the roasting, the just talking my mind. That's what people love. So that's what I'm working with. What was that?
And I think
Lawyer knows, man. They don't know if it was. It was like it was me like you're supposed to be exempted. One bag of sneezing. Yeah, I feel it in my neck back. That's not. I had to talk. I wasn't gonna ignore it.
I have to save my name because this is when I are friends.
Yeah, no, I was not Rick. I was gonna ignore it, but you know, you feel the thing. Yeah. I want to do it.
But anyway, people, we know we're live here at Flame. This is the Upnliveshow. Simma, she's here with us live. And every guest that comes to the show, we normally put them to the test. And we have the Upnlive beat with my DJ Dragon here. And we're going to just clear the stage and leave it for Simma to do her thing.
And what are we doing now?
We're
You didn't even tell me what we're doing.
No,
New
this is
song, you're gonna freestyle.
You're gonna freestyle.
Oh,
Like, so you're bad. You're ready for
Alright.
any girl. And yeah, you're ready. Yeah, you're ready for come and go on with your things.
Okay, let's give her a simple project. Let's give her a drink. I don't know what's in the people.
Or really, but you freestyle your song. What do you
Bad girl, man. Bad girl freestyle for energy, right?
Okay, we sent her a rhythm, but she's right now. She's wanting to hear a rhythm. But in the true spirit, this true spirit of the show, we not making any exceptions to anybody. So you have to give us at least an 8-bar on this beat, and then I give you your beat, right? Because if I give you a pass by, everybody else that comes in is gonna want to pass as well. So you just have to make some. Just do an A, B, C, D, or oh, jump over the moon or something. Dragon, your turn again.
I need some more rubber.
Alright, what's that? Here's the outside. I love your rhythm, make me rhyme on the rhythm. You're too bad, so I'm giving you the rhythm. I wanna be right now, me now here. Let me find the better me, I wipe on the end. Build up a dance up a shot like this. Getting that you back to me, you know. Let me head start spinning to me, I'll admit it. Put the grip on like whoa, 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 whoa. Let me walk out up in like what they blow. Wanna call me every day like yo, 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 yo. Done, done, yeah,
Ricky, that was better than you. That was better than your freestyle. That was
don't do no business. You won't ride for me, no that bass. So I ride to him on that. You wanna talk to Bobby? Tell him I'm coming to my hometown party. Pretty and baby, different places. Yo, no more ones. I come with gang or I come with my sons. Stick with my family, I do this for fun. Over my children, all had this. Tell him I'm riding, riding. The ocean hiding. Chain on velvet, they just sliding. He's not in my clothes. He's not in my clothes. Don't do basic, go in a hole. No, did that. 10 toes, none of that, that's right. Say, couple shots, I'm lit it. Fix up like Eddie. Hit it up and shut it. Fuck the rules. You know I'm making them moves. I do it hard and it's smooth. Don't watch the vanish. Poop, poop. You already do it, I mean, you should be. That's key. I got the thing making fun. I got drop on your knee. Yo, tell him I'm bringing the heat. Tell him surrender retreat. Big back, we are smart. Looking at me so grateful. Walking in so graceful. My whole team comes up. Chocolate Bobby. Yeah!
Remember, people, this is Simma right here live on the Upnliveshow, and she should bring out one beat. And we're going to talk about this after the show. Seriously.
That was hard.
See, I always come on my own beat though.
Yeah.
She can't prepare, which was a bit unfair.
That was emotional. She loved the beat. She like, are you? I thought you was nice. You kind of angry. But
That's what I'm saying. I think that's what I think people are surprised when I rap because they see me and I'm like,
yeah, so like,
oh, like goofy and
yeah, like butter would melt and then just kick you in your throat.
Don't
Then give you a headlock.
One of those nice
Then
ones.
slam you on the floor. Yeah, there's more to it. Wow. I'm really surprised. Like, your producer is. No, your producer is. I think that you said that pun business.
Is your friend, remember people, this is the Upper Live show right here. Remember, how we can find you? We find you online, you find your music.
Yeah, my Insta is SIMMA UK1. My YouTube channel, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, again, SIMMA UK. And my
WhatsApp is.
This is trying to look somebody up.
SIMMA UK1.
Any new music you coming out? Anything coming out?
Yeah,
soon?
I've got a video coming out. It's called Sussin. It's going to be coming out on Link Up TV. And it's a nice track, summery, catchy track. And I'm doing a couple of shows. I'm supporting K-Coke, UK rapper. So yeah. Look out for me, man.
We will be looking out for you. This will be looking out for you as well, especially, right? You be inside the WhatsApp DMs and all these
Sliding.
Sliding.
Right, greasy.
Anyway, people, keep it locked right here. This is Flames Radio, Upper Live Show, right here, off courtesy of the whole team, World Bank, Liquor Brown Rasta, Dragon Asa, myself, Rick Upper Live. Follow our page on YouTube, Upper Live Show. Remember, like, subscribe, and share, people. Every week here, Flames Radio, 8 p.m. Keep it locked. Up next, this is the media.
Fire!